Hey kids, let's color the shapes together. Pink triangle, brown circle, orange square, blue star, yellow cylinder and purple heart. Ready? Let's start coloring. Fill a pink color in a triangle. This is a triangle. Fill a brown color in a circle. This is a circle. Fill a orange color in a square. This is a square. Fill a blue color in a star. This is a star. Fill a yellow color in a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Fill a purple color in a heart. This is a heart. Let us repeat. Triangle, circle, square, star, cylinder, heart shape. Yay, good job! And parents, do not forget to download our free printable PDF of ABC coloring and tracing and plus shapes. Link is in the description only. Now you can watch more fun learning videos on my channel. Go check them out and keep learning. Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye kids. For more updates, please like and subscribe.